Guys, what's up? It's Mark. So, people said they wanted to see a review on a shut up, seatbelt thing! Review on a leveled F-150 with a set of 20x10s, Noah, and 33 1250 20s. So, with that said, here's your video. Check it out. Guys, what's up? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? Back at you again. It's been a while. Had a bunch of trials and tribulations in the past and trying to overcome that, and back to the books and the drawing board. With that said, guys, check this out. This, my friends, is a 2014 Ford F-150 leveled on a set of 33 1250 20-inch tires, and they're wrapped around a beautiful Moto Metal chrome wheel. With that said, guys, this is, if you look up under here, Noah, check this out. Get up under there real down and dirty. You can kind of see the anodized red rough country leveling kit. I want to say it's a, I'm gonna have to research because I forgot my notes. It's like a 2-inch. 2.5. It's 2.5. Noah's smarter than I am sometimes. Sometimes he forgets everything. Sometimes he remembers the world, my birth date, and what size drawers my underwear are. Anywho. 2.5-inch rough country leveling kit. It utilizes just like a puck spacer up here, and we maximize the clearance pretty much enough to tuck these beautiful wheels and tires on. We had to trim a tiny bit right here on the corner of the bumper, not much, and it's trimmed very properly. It looks really nice, and the Moto Metals look very, very, very stellar. Chrome 20x10 Moto Metals, matching chrome lug nuts. And they're wrapped around a 33 1250 20. Full turn right, full turn left, no rubbing or scrubbing. But when you're on a bump and you're turning out right, very small rub. But it runs and drives great. The truck looks fantastic. And as you can see, guys, go get a straight picture of the side, Noah. Leveling kit. What it does is it levels out the rear, front to the rear. Level, hence the word leveling kit. And the best part about it is you don't get too much crazy big lifted truck out of it. It's not crappy enough to where it's like, oh, it's a factory truck, it's just another truck driving by, whatever. It looks perfect. It looks just right. And that's why I like doing them. We did 20% window tint to match the rear. Come around the back side, I'll show you guys what's going on. It's bone stock. It's got it doesn't even have an exhaust on it. It's got a TRIFECTA bed cover. Whoops, TRIFECTA bed cover that just broke off. Comes with free ice in the back. It's cold as hell. Colder than a witch's titties. Or whatever Noah used to say. Noah said something. Recite that, Noah.
Colder than a witch's titty.
Don't swear now.
Colder than a I'm colder than a witch's titty. Doing push-ups in snow in a brass bra.
Although I've never seen a witch do push-ups in the cold with a brass bra, I can feel her pain. But with that said, on with the truck. God, you're making me cold just thinking about a brass bra right now.
So hurry your ass up.
I'm gonna go whack off right now after hearing that. Just kidding.
No, he's not.
Probably. It's got remote start right here. So look, it's got remote start. Remote start, and just kidding. Doesn't have remote start, guys. But nice set of weather techs. Noah should have shined those up a lot better than they are.
They were shined.
Yeah, right.
You're going dirty ass feet.
So I swear.
Dirty crap feet.
Yeah. Truck has 105,871 miles on it. Go on the other side now. I'll show what we did to it. Door jambs are great. Look at the door jambs, guys. Door jambs on this truck good. The VIN number's right there if you guys have any questions. It's got step rails on it that are absolutely massive. Guys, these step rails, it's like every time I get in, I think of a skateboard. I don't know why. It's like, I might as well put some grip tape on here and go like this. Film me skating, Noah. Kickflip. Go around, see what's up. Hey, well, welcome. That's far enough. You're too close up on me. Guys, so what this truck has, the best part I like about it is pickup trucks. Bring your broad, bring your boys. Tell everybody to saddle on up, partner, jump on in the F-150. Hee-haw! But anyways, it's a good truck. We did put a JENSEN double-din CD, double-din stereo, Noah's laughing, but we put a JENSEN double-din CD player stereo Bluetooth radio in here because the factory F-150s, for some reason, the head units are absolute junk. I still have the factory one to go with it when I sell this truck. And this looks pretty nice. Check it out. Built Ford F-150 tough. JENSEN. Oh, can't play that song. My YouTube. It's the most wonderful time. That should be good. But anyways, can't play the radio during this because the monetization on here goes crazy, and it's like, oh, you violated somebody's respectful whatever. On the steering wheel, I love the truck because right here, where's my phone at? Oh, there's my phone. You can put your phone in this little cubby hole. You can put your keys. You can probably fit a gun. Yeah, you can fit a small gun right there, and it works pretty good. But anywho, there's a lot of small, cool compartments that I like about it. You know, it comes with the key when we put the wheels on. It comes with the factory, or the key that we put on the aftermarket. It's just a nice truck. I like them. I really do. You get your third row seating right here for your buddies, your boys, and to put it down, it's kind of a weird situation here. You got to stick your hand behind or under, or technical difficulty. There you go. Noah found the button. So the button, guys, is right here to put the seat down, because if you don't, it's locked. If it didn't lock like the Chevys don't, then you just wouldn't have a locking seat. But this one locks, comes down. This has a SCT tuner on it. So it's got a nice little setup here, guys. And back seat's got plenty of room. Join me in the back seat, I'll show you. So as far as moving the back seat, huge back cargo seat area. I'm 6 foot tall, and I'm doing, this is the Anthony gauge part 2. And oh, hey, big shout out to Frankie. Frankie, I appreciate you loving the videos, brother. Keep on watching and stay tuned. That really means a lot to me when you can say that I'm the funniest guy you see on YouTube. I appreciate that, man. F you, Noah.
You must never see anybody else.
Yeah. No, he's just kissing. Frankie, thanks for subscribing and watching, buddy. So the back seating area is absolutely massive. And that's what I like about it. It's a full crew cab F-150. I'm 6 foot tall. You can bring your boys in here and still have plenty of room. I mean, for crying out loud, you can lay down with your legs spaced out right here and still have a lot of room. And I like it. So yeah, the back seat's awesome. As far as the rest of the truck, I think that's it. But I'm gonna wrap this one up. I'll show you guys under the hood, and that's about it. Hope you like the video. I'll put the fog lights on too in the headlights. Check it out, right? Now I did this trick the last time. I want to make sure that I don't get my coat, my brand new Carhartt coat, all dirty, because I just popped the hood last time on a vehicle, which shouldn't be dirty, and it got dirty and grease on it. So I'll put it down right here, nice and neat, easily. There we go. All right, so now pop the hood and show you guys under the hood. The last part of the video. I can find the stupid hood thing. There we go. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. Wasn't the hood pupper thing on this side sometimes? Oh, that's the F-250. Check out what's under the hood. Nothing, a bone stock engine. Made you look, you dirty prick, you stole your mother's pocketbook. Yeah, it's a clean truck. Whole grill comes up when you pump the hood, but that's it. And yeah, let's get out of here. It's getting cold as a witch's titties and nipples on Thursday. Wearing a spiked brass bra, something else, and jibber jabber jabber and whatever. So, guys, heading out. This is Ford F-150 XLT. Peace out. See you guys later.